Before you throw that pair of pants out, try and give it another life. Fast fashion has gotten out of hand, and upcycling is a great way for all of us to reduce waste. Anyway, let's jump into it. Let's make this gorgeous Y2K top. I'm using this pair of skinny jeans. I made this very simple pattern in my previous video linked below. Feel free to check it out. You can also freehand cut if you've already made clothes before and you have an idea of what to do. Try and see which side will fit. I had to try this a few times because the front was ripped and the side was not straight, and I did not want to waste fabric or to have to throw the whole thing out. I ended up using the back of the pants. Remove the pocket. This is optional. I feel like it will actually look really creative to leave it on and also cutesy, but I personally really liked the contrast of the shades of blue under the pockets, so I used the seam ripper to get that out. Place your pattern and pin it down. Make sure you are pinning on just the top part if your pants are ripped like mine. If your pants are not ripped at the top like mine, you can just cut the 2 layers, and just like that you have your 2 pieces for the right and the left side. Next, just cut out the pattern. For the other side, I'm going to be flipping my pattern. Place it right side facing down. For a bit of sauce, I am going to use pins, 3 pins at the middle, so that it's showing off a lot. Honestly, I just wanted it to show off a lot, so I can wear it with like really big baggy pants or something like that. My pants were short, so I need to add more fabric at the straps. Once I sew them on, you can feel free to hand sew. This is a very small section. You can just use your hand, but I use the machine. I also pull the fabric on the edges for this frayed effect. Now, how cute is this? From a pair of pants that don't fit me anymore to this cutesy top. And so it's time for today's word of encouragement. Be mindful of those negative thoughts that keep recurring in your mind and making your life hard. Write them down and let them go. Until next time, bye.